Hi guys, welcome to Get Humanities and Social Science YouTube channel. Guys, in this video, I will tell you about master's program in public policy. Yes, guys, IIT Bombay is the only institute which is offering many subjects, many interdisciplinary subjects, and so on. Okay, so guys, I think uh, you will get many opportunities. You will be able to explore many things in IIT Bombay. No doubt, in our country like India, IIT Bombay is the best. If you get a chance to take admission in IIT Bombay, you should apply. If you have very good gate score in any branch of get subject or get a paper, like suppose you have very good gate score in psychology, okay, so you will be able to apply. Suppose you are a btech or btech student, so if you have very good score in humanities and social science subjects, okay, like suppose in any exercise paper, so you will be able to apply in this program. So guys, this video will be very informative, and you will be able to explore many interdisciplinary subject in IIT Bombay. And public policy is the domain where you will get a 100% secured job, and you cannot imagine that job will give you everything. Okay, and why I am telling you, because public policy expert is like in this, like in this situation, the policy makers are the main thinkers of a country. Okay, so all the policy makers, they are doing very good. Suppose, like in this pandemic situation, you are following, you are obeying many rules and regulation. So these rules and regulation, okay, are coming from the policymakers. So look, the scientists, they are like trying to discover many things, but the people who are expert in science, like those people who are doing research in covid, okay, okay, coronavirus, so you are following every day different rules. You are washing your hands, you are like cleaning everything, you are maintaining distance. So this type of rules are made by the policymakers. So this is the domain, this is the degree. After that, you will be a policymaker. Okay, so guys, you will be placed in many companies, you will be placed in many private sector, you will get job in PSU. This is the domain. So and IIT Bombay will give you every opportunity. Okay, so I think you should watch this video till the end and share this video with your friends. Okay, so guys, let's start. Okay, I think you can see my laptop interface and cursor also. So this is the program, master program. Okay, so master program in public policy, that is MPP. Okay, so master program in public policy is a very good program in IIT Bombay. Okay, and I will tell you every details, placement, and what about placement. So don't worry about placement in this department. Okay, so you will get everything. You will get everything. You will be placed in such a position you cannot imagine. Your family cannot imagine. So if you complete this masters program in this institute like IIT Bombay, you will be able to go everywhere. Okay, you can go for your PhD like Indian Institute of Management Ahmedabad also. Okay, so in that institute like IIM Ahmedabad is the global institute, number one of the best. Okay, top 30 institute is like IIM Ahmedabad. And from from this institute, if you complete your master's program in public policy from this IIT Bombay, you will be easily able to get a PhD position in IIM. Okay, and when you will complete your PhD program in IIM, you will get more than 25 lakhs per annum. You cannot imagine. Okay, minimum 20 to 25 lakhs you will get at the end of the year. Okay, so don't worry about the placement. Even one more important thing I want to tell you, uh, if you like get a chance to take admission in this institute, in this domain like public policy domain, so you will get fellowship. Okay, if you have good gate score, if you have valid gate score, you will get 12,400 rupees per month. Okay, this is MHRD fellowship. And if you are doing like if you do your degree in this institute like in IIT Bombay, so you will get that fellowship, and I will give you every detail. So look, look, this is the eligibility criteria. So the program will be open to the students from all backgrounds. Look, all backgrounds, provided they fulfill one of the three eligibility criteria. This is the first eligibility criteria. Look, master degree or a 4-year bachelor's degree. Okay, okay, post 10 plus 2 মানে after 12. So if you have master's degree or 4-year bachelor's degree in arts, commerce, okay, arts, commerce, and equivalent with minimum 55% marks. Okay, so you'll be able to take admission in this institute. Okay, and second eligibility criteria is this. So MSc degree or a 4-year BSc or BS degree, so you can get a chance to do this degree. Look, third eligibility criteria, BTech or BArc candidate, they are also eligible to apply. So this is these are the three eligibility criteria you have to follow, you have to maintain. Okay, and selection process. Look, selection process. So all the candidates will be required to have fulfilled the eligibility minimum eligibility criteria, and selection process involves a written test and interview. And look, I will give you the best information, so please watch this video till the end. Okay, look, so the students and admission categories, institute, MHRD, TSF. Look, like if you have valid gate score, you will get institute fellowship. Institute fellowship means you will get 12,400 rupees per month. So you should apply. Okay, you should apply. Okay, and public policy, na public policy domain. Public policy domain is very demanding domain. Okay, in this situation, in this scenario, okay, uh, so you will get a very good job. You can expect a very good job from IIT Bombay. Okay, so I think you will be able to crack this interview and so on. So look, if you have GRF or CSI GRF, so you will get that fellowship. And if you have simple valid gate score, you also you will be able to get that type of amount. Okay, so I think this information will be really helpful. Now I'll give you the best information. What is that? Look, already I have mentioned the eligibility criteria. The three eligibility criteria are there. Okay, first one, this. Okay, if you have this eligibility criteria, okay, if you have this eligibility criteria, you will be able to apply. And second, if you have MSc degree, okay, you will be able to apply. Look, if you have this eligibility criteria, you will be able to do that. And look, selection process, you have to face like a written test and then interview. Okay, so I think this information will be really helpful. Okay, na? So now I will show you the most important information. Okay, look, this is the notification for 2021 for 2021. So this is the notification for 2000 notification, major information for this session for 2021 master's program in public policy. Okay, so look, minimum eligibility criteria, you have to follow this three eligibility criteria already I have mentioned. And additional requirement, already if you have valid gate scorecard, so you will be able to like institute fellowship, that is institute TAship. What is the TAship? TAship means teaching assistantship. Okay, you have to work like 8 hours in a within a week. Okay, so I think this information will be really helpful. Additional requirement for fellowship award FA category, so you should follow this. Okay, and other categories are also there. So selection procedure, written test and interview. So for all candidate mentioned in criteria B, C, D, okay, will be required to appear for separate entrance exam. Okay, so look, what is the B, C and D? So look, B, C and D means like this. This is, okay, 1 second, I want to show you. This is A and this is B. Okay, so this is B means, this is B means, look, okay, so additional requirement for TAship, so B, C and D. So it means that all the candidate mentioned in the criteria B, C and D and above like will be required to appear separate entrance exam. Okay, so this is the major process. You have to face interview and they like you have to face the written test and then interview. So I think this information will be really helpful. A valid, one more important information. Okay, so a valid gate score will allow a candidate to waive mandatory 2+ years work experience. If you have valid gate scorecard, it means that you should not show like experience, 2 years experience. Guys, if you have 2 years experience, so you should not require gate score for any like fellowship. Okay, so I think you are getting my point. Okay, I think you are getting my point. Okay, so one more important thing, you should read this carefully. Okay, this is very crucial information. Pause the video and we'll be able to read this. Okay, so I think you have to face interview. Okay, you have to first face like written test, you have to face a written test and then interview. Okay, then interview. Okay, I think this information will be really helpful. Okay, so prepare very well, apply in this institute. Okay, and I will give you more information. Okay, regarding this. Why I am giving this information? Because this is a very important. Okay, minimum eligibility criteria, like any one, two, three. Out of these three, you should have any one. Okay, and you will be able to apply in this program. Okay, so just go for it. Very good institute, very good like very good program. Okay, you'll be able to explore many things. You will get placement at the end of this program. You can go for your higher study any country. So I think this information will be really helpful. Now I'll show you further information. Like, look, peoples, so MPP students, always guys, you should you should look into the profile of like previous year candidate. Okay, so how you will be able to, IIT Bombay site is a very complicated website in our country. Okay, suppose you are searching information throughout the 1 month. Okay, you will not get, you will be not able to get every information, because within a particular site within a particular site there are so many sub page, and within that sub page you will get many more sub page. That means there are so many internal web page. Okay, so you have to explore all this. Okay, so guys, uh, these are the some MPP students, and how you will be able to get information who are the like first year students, who are the second year student. Look, these are the student. Okay, these are the student, they are doing their master's program. Okay, in public policy, these are the student. Already you can see this, already they have completed their MA programs in particular institute. Look this, like this candidate Aparajita Mandal, yeah, like sorry, she have completed her MA program from Tata Institute of Social Science, Mumbai. This is a very good institute. Okay, but she's again doing another master's program. Okay, so look, if you have any master's degree, you can do another master degree, because this is IIT Bombay, this is not your institute, this is not your university, because university is totally different institute, but IIT Bombay is the ocean, is the Pacific Ocean. Guys, I am telling you what is the difference. Okay, so all of you know that, like water present, water exists in a pond, and water also exists in ocean. Okay, so IIT Bombay na, IIT Bombay is the Pacific Ocean, and university is like a pond. This is the difference. Okay, training procedure is totally different from university. You will get everything IIT in IIT Bombay. Mainly I am talking about my institute, IIT Bombay. This is the best, this is the global, one of the global best institute in the world. Okay, you should go there. Okay, and look, this is the, but I think she's second year candidate. Okay, and I'm telling you who are the first year candidate. Look this is the email ID of this candidate. Look, 20, it means that first two digit indicates that 20 means he is he is the student of 2020. Okay, so, and look, other students, they have their ID, they have ID with their name. Okay, and I am telling you guys, look, these students. Okay, so all the students with a 20. Okay, this digit, it means that they have taken their first year admission, they are first year students. So thus you can count how many student had taken admission in 2020. Okay, so, and you can explore, you can see their interest, you can see their domain, you can see their previous degree, everything. Thus you will be able to explore everything. And how you will be able to, your area of interest, you should go to the faculty section. Okay, and you should you should search about their domain, and this is the research domain. Okay, these are the some specific area where professors are working. Okay, digital societies, structural inequalities, like you can understand what is the meaning of this word inequalities in our social system, in our social uh, uh, social system. You know what is the like inequality condition. Okay, some people are very rich, some people are very poor, so this is called inequality. Okay, so I know all of you know it very well than me. Okay, so environment, energy, natural resources, and markets, governance processes, technology and society. So these are the some domain actually the professors they are working in this field, and you should explore all these. Okay, you should explore all these. You can explore like faculty profiles also. Look, this is another. Okay, one I want to show you one more important thing. Look, this is my professor. Okay, actually he is the professor of like department of like EACD. What is the meaning of EACD? EACD is the environmental science and engineering. Okay, department, environmental science and engineering department. Actually Professor Sesti is like our departmental professor. Okay, but he is very talented, he's very talented, he's very like you cannot imagine. Okay, so he is the professor of two department, and you can understand from this point. Okay, so he is the professor of EACD, and he is the another associate like look associate faculty in like center for policy department. It is not department, it is center. So center for policy studies. Okay, so I think from my point you are getting what I want to mean that. Okay, Professor Sethi and another professor are they are like like they are very good, and they are very good. Okay, so just come to our IIT. Okay, just you'll get everything. I'm telling you guys, you'll get everything, and it will be your best experience. So you have to work hard in this institute. Okay, first year is a very rigorous program. First year program is a very rigorous program, and you have to face many difficulties. Okay, there are so many quizzes, assignment, there are so many seminars, so many presentation. You have to work hard, you have to work hard, you have to work hard. Okay, so just prepared you should prepare all these things. Okay, just prepare for your written test and interview also. So just first of all you should apply, and I want to I want to show you the application system, application process. Okay, you can see this application page. Okay, for online application you have to go to this online section, online portal, and look, you'll be able to see everything. Okay, MPhil admission, MBA admission, MDes admission. Look, masters in public policy. Okay, masters in public policy, masters in public policy. Just click on it. Okay, so you'll be able, you have to register first. You have to register first and then log in, and you should read the all the interaction and important documents. I think this information will be really helpful if you want to like if you want to uh, know more information about this. Okay, so just uh, comment in the comment section. Okay, so I think this information will be really helpful. Okay, will be really helpful. And okay guys, I think already I have given the best information for masters in public policy. Okay, thank you. If you like this video, please like the hit please like this. Okay, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, and please if you like this video, please hit the like button. Okay, thank you, tata, bye bye from my side, and Bande Mataram, Jai Hind. Okay, tada.